Hi guys, when I was playing Crusher Clicker on Crazy Games, this happened. I was on speed 550 P and this happened. It magically got to 200. How is that even? I was on 550 RMP. How did I get to 200 RMP? It's like I'm barely moving. Ah, how? I don't know how this happened. I think the game's broken. Whoever created this, do not fix the bug. I like this.